Did you know one simple oversight on your first cruise could cost you hundreds or even get you kicked off the ship? Let's uncover the 7 biggest mistakes new cruisers make and the easy fixes to save your dream trip. Let's uncover the 7 biggest mistakes new cruisers make and how to stay away from them. From overpacking to ignoring embarkation tips, avoid these pitfalls for a smoother sail. Hey there, cruise enthusiasts! If you're gearing up for your first voyage at sea, congratulations, you're in for an adventure. But hold up, cruising comes with its own set of unwritten rules, and one of the biggest pitfalls is packing items that are straight up banned by cruise lines. These aren't just minor inconveniences. Bringing them can lead to confiscation, delays, or even being turned away at the port. Today, we're breaking down the 7 deadly mistakes first-time cruisers make by sneaking in these prohibited goodies, why they're off limits, and how to dodge the drama so you can save big, sail smart, and focus on the fun.
We will count them down from 7 to 1, so let's dive right in.
Starting with number 7, bringing clothing irons or steamers. You know, those handy gadgets you use at home to zap wrinkles from your outfits. Why is this a mistake? Cruise ships ban them because they're a major fire hazard. The high heat can spark electrical issues or even start a blaze in the confined quarters of a cabin. Ships are like floating cities with strict safety protocols, and one small spark could endanger everyone on board. How to dodge it? Leave the iron at home and opt for wrinkle release sprays like Downy Wrinkle Releaser, which you can pack in your toiletries. Most cruise lines also offer affordable laundry and pressing services on board, or you can hang your clothes in the steamy bathroom during a shower for a natural de-wrinkle. Trust me, you'll thank yourself when you avoid that awkward security chat. Moving on to number 6, packing surge protectors or multi-plug power strips. These seem innocent enough. After all, who doesn't need extra outlets for charging phones, laptops, and cameras? But here's the rub. They're prohibited on most major lines like Royal Caribbean, Carnival, and Norwegian because they can overload the ship's electrical system, leading to power outages or worse, fires. Cruise cabins have limited outlets, but the wiring is designed specifically for safety at sea, and unregulated surges can bypass that. To dodge this mistake, check your cruise line's policy. Some allow basic extension cords without surge protection, but always confirm. Better yet, bring a USB hub or a travel adapter with multiple USB ports that plugs into a single outlet. And pro tip, charge devices during the day when you're out exploring so you don't overload at night. Number 5, trying to bring candles or incense. The ambiance setters. Maybe you want to create a romantic vibe or mask any ocean scents in your cabin. Why banned? Open flames are a massive no-no on ships due to the extreme fire risk. A single gust of wind or tip-over could turn into a disaster, and cruise lines have zero tolerance after past incidents. Even battery-operated ones are sometimes scrutinized if they look too realistic. Dodging this is easy. Go for flameless alternatives like LED tea lights or essential oil diffusers, non-electric ones if allowed. Many ships have spa services or scented room sprays available, or just embrace the fresh sea air. It's part of the charm. This way, you keep the cozy vibe without the hassle. At number 4, sneaking in drones. These flying cameras are all the rage for capturing epic aerial shots, but packing one is a classic rookie error. Cruise lines prohibit them because they pose safety risks during takeoff and landing, could interfere with navigation equipment, and invade passenger privacy. Imagine buzzing over sunbathers. Plus, in ports, local laws might ban them entirely. To avoid this pitfall, leave the drone behind and use your smartphone or a GoPro for stunning views. If you're dead set on aerial footage, book a shore excursion that includes drone tours where permitted, or wait until you're on solid ground away from restricted areas. You'll save space in your bag and avoid potential fines. Number 3, bringing hard liquor or excessive alcohol. Sure, you might think stashing a bottle of your favorite whiskey saves money, but most lines ban hard liquor to control consumption and boost their bar revenue. Safety first, as overindulgence at sea can lead to accidents. Some allow a limited amount of wine or champagne, like 1 bottle per adult on Carnival, but smuggling more can get your stuff confiscated and you in hot water. How to dodge? Familiarize yourself with the line's alcohol policy before packing. Buy duty-free on board or in ports, or opt for a drink package if you're a cocktail fan. It's often cheaper than you think and includes unlimited sodas or specialty coffees too. Cheers to smart sailing! Coming in at number 2, packing weapons or large sharp objects like knives over 4 inches or scissors. This includes pocket knives, replica swords, or even big kitchen shears you might bring for snacks. Why the ban? Obvious safety reasons. Cruise ships are shared spaces, and anything that could be used as a weapon is strictly prohibited to prevent incidents. Even if you're a collector or chef, it's not worth the risk. To dodge this, stick to small, travel-sized scissors under 4 inches if needed, and leave anything else at home. For food prep, use the ship's dining options or buy disposable utensils in ports. Security scans are thorough, so better safe than sorry. And the number 1 deadly mistake first-time cruisers make by bringing illegal drugs or substances, including marijuana, CBD products, or vapes in some cases. Even if it's legal in your home state or for medical use, cruise ships follow international maritime laws and U.S. federal rules, where these are often illegal. Why banned? To maintain a safe, family-friendly environment and avoid legal complications in foreign ports. Getting caught could mean arrest, expulsion from the ship, or bans from future cruises. Dodging this is straightforward, just don't bring them. If you need medication, ensure it's prescription and declared. Focus on the ship's wellness programs like yoga or spas for relaxation instead. Your vacation will be way more chill without the drama. There you have it, folks, the 7 deadly mistakes first-time cruisers make by packing banned items and the simple ways to dodge them for a hassle-free getaway. Remember, a little research on your cruise line's prohibited list goes a long way towards saving time, money, and stress. Your trip should be about relaxation and adventure, not security lines. If this helped you prep for your next cruise, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below. What's the weirdest thing you've seen confiscated on a cruise? Safe travels, and I'll see you on the high seas. If you enjoyed this cruise guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who love cruising the seas. Thanks for sailing with us. See you on the next voyage.